Hello students, this is problem number 17. Problem number 17 from the topic kinetic theory of gases and radiation, and we are using Maharashtra State Board book. Problem number 17. Problem is like this: find the kinetic energy of 5 liter of gas at STP. So volume is given to you V 5 liter. But remember, liter is not standard unit, meter cube is standard unit. So we have to convert liter into meter cube. So 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3, it becomes now in meter cube. Then at STP, STP means standard temperature and pressure condition. So pressure is already given to you 1.013 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square. So kinetic energy of gas, it is given by formula 3/2 PV. So substitute all these value P and B. P is 1.013 into 10 raised to power 5 and V 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So what do we get? 3.039 into 5 divided by 2 into 5 minus 3, 2. So it becomes 15.195 into 10 raised to power 2 divided by 2. That is 7.597 into 10 raised to power 2. So your final answer is 7.597 into 10 raised to power. Hello students, this is problem number 18 from chapter kinetic theory of gases and radiation. So problem is like this: calculate the average molecular kinetic energy per kilomole, second one per kg and per molecule of oxygen at 127 degrees Celsius. So this temperature we can convert it into Kelvin. 127 plus 273, it becomes 400. Then molecular weight of oxygen is given to you 32. Then R, gas constant, it is given 8.31 joule per mole into Kelvin, and Avogadro's number 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 molecule per mole. So first question is find out average kinetic energy per kilomole. So average kinetic energy per kilomole, that we have to find out. So formula for average kinetic energy, it becomes 3/2 RT. Since we require per kilomole, that means we have to multiply it by 1000 kilomole. This formula 3/2 RT, it is kinetic energy per mole. Now we require kilomole, so multiplied by 1000. So what do we get? 3/2 RT. R is given to you 8.31. Then 1000 10 raised to power 3, then temperature 400. So it becomes 3924.93 into 4 10 raised to power 5 divided by 2. Then 24.93 into 2 10 raised to power 5. So it becomes 6, 9, 4. 49.86. 49.86 into 10 raised to power 5. Unit will be joule. 49.86 into 10 raised to power 5 joule. Second one, find the average kinetic energy per kg, means per unit mass. So what is formula? 3/2 RT, it is average kinetic energy. Per unit mass means divided by molecular weight, which is given to you, molecular weight of oxygen 32. So it becomes 3/2 R 8.31, temperature 400 and molecular weight 32. So if we do calculation, the result is 1.558 into 10 raised to power. This is problem number 19. Calculate the energy radiated in 1 minute by black body of surface area 1000 centimeter square. So area is given to you and the body is maintained at temperature 2 to 7 degrees Celsius, and we require the energy radiated for the time 1 minute. So time is given to you. So T means time, 1 minute, convert it into second, 60 seconds. Area of body is given to you, 100 centimeter square. So in meter square it becomes 100 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. So that is 10 raised to power minus 2 meter square. Then the body is maintained at 2 to 7 degrees Celsius. So temperature 2 to 7 degrees Celsius. In Kelvin it becomes 500 Kelvin. 2 to 7 plus 273, it becomes 500 Kelvin. So what we require? We require the energy radiated. So we know that energy radiated Q, it is given by formula Q is equal to sigma A T raised to power 4 into small t. This formula we have obtained from Stephen's law. E is directly proportional to T raised to power 4. E is equal to sigma into T raised to power 4, and E is nothing but Q upon AT. So Q is equal to AT sigma T raised to power 4. Now substitute the value. The value of sigma, it is given to you 5.67 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Area, it is 10 raised to power minus 2, then 500 raised to power 4, and small t is 60 seconds. So on calculating this, we get result. The final answer is 2126.25. 2126.25 joule. This is your final answer.